Good morning, guys. So I'm here right now at Arevalo. I'm walking to Breakthrough. So we're just gonna check the preparation for the Paraw Regatta festival. This strip of the beach area along Arevalo is usually the part where they held the Paraw race and everything else. So it's a very sunny morning here along Arevalo Beach. So I'm just gonna walk through for today's vlog and give you some ideas of some of the events that are going to be held during the festival. So it will be a 1 week event. There would be some job fair, and then as well as I think there are mural paintings on the sails, as well as body painting, and then the usual that we have as well is the beach volleyball, which is a common event. Though we don't have Miss Paraw Regatta for this year, even though it's the golden anniversary. We are currently celebrating the 50th year. It's one of the and I think the oldest sailboat race in Asia. And then a photo contest as well for the photographers. As you can see, there are a number of people who are here right now. So you can see right there are some I think some of the speedboats and jet skis. Usually those guys coming in on Sunday for a family outings. This strip, by the way, is roughly around the area of the event, probably at least a kilometer or so or more, where they annually held the Paraw Regatta races in all of the events. So I'm gonna try to walk towards the number of sailboats that are from afar. These are, I'm not sure if they are part of the or joining the event, but we will find out. So this part of the beach is actually during the high tides, there are some water coming in on this area. Currently I think it's still on a low tide. We by the way, we also have some I think probably a new event, which is the Lixon contest. Not sure of the mechanics yet, but we will try to get some information. So the beach area where the event usually is being held is starting from Breakthrough Restaurant and probably up to the Tatoys Restaurant area. This is the favorite spot where the Paraw Festival is being held, because usually the other parts of the Arevalo beaches are not as flat as on these areas. So as you can see that the beach side is, the coastlines are almost flat. So this is just a short morning walk, just to give you guys the an idea where the events are taking place next week for the Paraw Regatta Festival. I would think that these guys are joining the Paraw Regatta Festival, because they have currently, they still have those sails which are blank, so there are no artworks as of yet. So I think they're gonna paint their artwork, which is part of the contest, which is the mural painting of the sails. There is also the usual event would be the slalom race. There is as well a miniature Paraw contest. So I'll just try to put some of the event schedules on the description. We have some kids playing along the beach as well. Some of these boats are the fishing boats, the small ones on my left. May entrance sila sa contest?
May mga testing lang nila.
Mga sale pa lang sila?
Mga testingan lang nila.
Sige, thank you. Ay, ako Tatoys. Tatoys, nagaling yung brand sa bun. Okay, so I just got the information that they are gonna do a test run of their sailboats. So they are so it is confirmed that they are joining the contest. So we're just gonna do a quick look on their setup. Pila ka kilometer ang Palumba? Mga pila ka ano no? 40 na ako magtiyog? Patiyog mo lang na siya mo. So doon mo lang natin patimbulog na siya. Pero ano na, patasig-dasig. So kung sinong lipot nga time, amo na siyang winner. Okay. Sige, sige. Yeah. So the races would just be probably a circular track along Iloilo and Guimaras Strait. So the Paraw with the shortest time wins the race. So we are now directly in front of Tatoys. As you can see on my right, they are building their new modernized cottages. This is a big one. And then some of the old cottages with the nipa huts. Well, this one has a GI or a modern roof. This is actually the end of my walk, but I'm just gonna stay for a while. Hello, good morning. Are you gonna watch the Paraw race? Are you gonna watch the Paraw race next week?
I will.
Okay. You're from where, sir?
Germany.
Germany. Guten Tag.
Yeah. Good German.
Very small German.